Listen to what I'm telling you. Garage door companies are an essential business. Right now, there's not enough garage door technicians to handle the amount of work that's available. This means you can easily get a job or start your own business once you learn this trade. They make $70,000 to $100,000 a year starting off, which is equivalent to $6,000 to $8,000 a month. You want to learn how to become a technician fast and easy? We've converted our hands-on class, which was $2,495, to only $799 online. This is a virtual course and will teach you how to become a garage door technician. Do this from the comfort of your home at your own pace. At the end of the course, you will receive a certificate that you completed the class. You can use this to obtain employment. Click below to find out more.